The NB Network with Dee's Photo.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Wow, okay, so we're opening the BoxyCharm base box. Ooh. Now, I am really curious because when they had options of things to pick out, I wasn't super impressed, and this is what so I'm not sure. I don't have high hopes for this box. Well, let's just get into it and let's talk about BoxyCharm and what the base box is. Hi. Now, BoxyCharm kind of has like a 3-tier system. They have their base box. They have their Luxe, which is a quarterly box that you can get in place of the base box. And they have their premium. Now, the premium I was getting last year and I stopped because I had to cancel it. I just was not happy. I was not feeling I was getting value out of it. I was getting more value out of the base box, and I was using the stuff, and I was liking the base over the premium a lot, I was noticing. So, yeah, you're not going to see me opening premium for a while until, BoxyCharm changes it up and premium looks worth it again. Really. Anyway, the base box, it's just $25 a month. That's a pretty good deal, especially when you're going to get 5 full-size items. No samples, no deluxe. This are full-size items. You get the option of choosing one of your items. As I mentioned before, I wasn't real impressed with the options this month, but we'll see what happens. Now, you do have a survey that you can take, and you tell them what your color of your skin, your favorite scents, and which kind of products do you prefer, and do you use lip liner, do you want eyeliner, do you want this, and what kind of eyeshadow palettes, do you prefer neutrals, do you prefer bright colors? You put all that in there so it can customize, so they can curate a box that is more personalized for you. And it does promise a value of $175 or more. I thought it used to be $150. I guess maybe this changed, but $175 and you pay $25. That I'm like, okay, I can fork out $25 for this. So now that you know about what BoxyCharm base box is, or let's get on into our next section and open the box up. Okay, now it is a Valentine themed box. Here is the BoxyCharm card, and it does say XOXO, hugs and kisses. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I don't know where that came from. I'm losing my mind. I need more coffee. I need more sleep. Okay, now the first thing in here. Ooh, okay. I was not hopeful for this box, but when I see this product, I would say this is worth it. This is Saturday Skin Sleep Mask. It is their Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask, and I gotta tell you, Saturday Skin products are really good, and they've been really wonderful. My wife, who does wear her face mask all day long, that's like over 8 hours at work. It's like 9 hours, I guess, because the lunch breaks and stuff. I mean, it's a long time. And her face was getting so raw and chapped and sore that she was using some of these Saturday Skin moisturizing products, and they are the best of everything that because we get lots of moisturizers over here, right? We try them out, but Saturday Skin is the one that she just, I have to rebuy. So the sleep mask is going to be something I know she's going to enjoy. Let me just kind of open up. I love the packaging of Saturday Skin. They just look so cute and just so sterile almost. I don't want to open this up. Oh, and it comes with a little scooper to not contaminate the sleep mask, keep it sterile. That's so nice. Now, this product sells for $29. So this product alone right now is worth my box that I paid $25. So yay. Okay, so maybe I was a little too judgmental at first. Let's see what else we got in here. This is come on now. Tristiq. This is the eye duo. It's called Good Vibes by Mascara and Eye Pencil. I've gotten this, I think, in Ipsy last year. Okay, I've gotten this before in Ipsy, and I just gave it away. This is just so huge and chunky. And the brush, the brush doesn't look too bad, but it's not my favorite style of brush. I love the Tarteist mascara brush. That is really a nice. But this contraption here on the end. This is a half eye curler. Half eye curler, do you see? Like a little guillotine. I don't know if I want to put my lashes up. Oh my God, I did it. Oh. Okay. That was weird. It's just so frightening looking. It's like, I don't know. I don't know if I'll even try it. I'm scared of it. Watch, I try it and I'm like, oh, this is a really nice mascara. I'm sorry, I was wrong, but I don't see that happening. And this is a line sharpen and smudge eye pencil, and you can just roll it up and roll it down. Just your basic black eye pencil, and I haven't heard anything really good that this company comes out with mascara and eye. But some people might like the gimmick. Not me. No, I'm not won over. And how much did this thing cost? $44, folks. $44. No. Wah, 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 is what I say. So, okay, yeah, there's one sad thing. Now, here is from Glamour brushes. This is a plastic, very, very plasticky bag. And I have nicer brush bags. This, I think, would tear easily. Now, it does come with 3 eye brushes. Now, these handles are really short. I prefer longer handles, but they're really cute. It just got little, you can move it up and down, glitters and hearts. The bristles are super ultra soft. I will say this. They're not that firm, but they are ultra soft. And let's see here. Oh, they're called the Ultra Soft Duo Synthetic Brushes. Oh. Now, this set is $29.95. I pay lots of money for my brushes, but I don't know if this is worth $29.95. Maybe the ultra softness of the bristles? I don't know. I'm going to let my daughter have this because it's super cute. This definitely is a Valentine's theme. And the handles are just too short for me, but with her little hands, I think they'll be just perfect. Now I'm going to turn on the heating pad. My knees hurt. Okay, so next thing in here is a limited edition liner duo from St. Luxe. Now so it's a duo, so that means 2 lip liners. I don't have a need for lip liners right now. I don't use them enough, but I do like to use them when I use a regular lipstick instead of a liquid lip. Now, it comes in these 2 colors. The colors are fairly close, but they're Love Letter and Secret Admirer. How cute. This totally goes with the Valentine's theme. I see what they're going with this. This I don't get. Unless it's supposed to be like a couple because it's a duo. Okay, that was a bad joke. I didn't go do that. So, yeah. Well, Saturday Skin, I don't know what this would have to do Valentine's-y, but it's nice. It doesn't have to. It's too good. I do want to try these lip liners out. I always liked, my favorite lip liners, though, are from Gerard Cosmetics. In fact, I'm wearing Groupie on my lips, which is their metallic liquid lip. But, yeah. So, if I can find something, I don't think anybody can beat Gerard Cosmetics with lip liners. They're so nice and creamy and just go glide on so well. But, I don't know, we'll try. Here is a Wander Beauty Eye and Face Palette. It is so cute. Okay, folks. This is a cute little palette. And I do like having little travel size palettes when we could travel again, go on trips, you know, stay someplace overnight. My wife and I get a little getaway. What this palette is called, a getaway. See that? Oh. Now, let's get down to business and swatch this baby, right? We want to swatch. Why not? Let's see. Because Wander Beauty, they're not really known for like amazing products, although I do like their Mile High mascara. I will say I do like that. So, you know, they got that going for them. Now, the first color I'm going in is called Cabana. Now, I'll swipe that here on my wrist, and it went on so smooth. It just glided, and it looks metallic-y, beautiful shine. That's a nice, nice shimmer, okay? And I do like the colors and the flex in the colors. That is, okay, Wander Beauty. I see you. I see you. Let's check out Yacht. You know what? The rose gold, they're just slightly different tints, but it makes a difference when you're doing your eyes. I love that. Ooh, light effects. I got some great light effects here now, don't I? And we're doing big time. I'm kidding. Oh, wait a minute. When I had it over my eyes, it reminded me of Morticia in the Addams Family. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's look at Bungalow, which is another shimmer. This is a little darker than the others. And you know what? The color's getting washed out. Let me try something here. Oh, that kind of, it is really beautiful. Beautiful. Now, Villa, this is a matte. This was totally could go in your crease, in her eye. That's a nice light neutral. And finally is Road Trip. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, this extra lighting, I'm like, poof. This one is even darker metallic. And let's see if you can get a good shot of it. They're really nice. And the texture and everything feels really super good. Now let's try, let's see here. After Hours is a highlight for your face. And let's see here. Okay, there you kind of get a gooder view of this. It's a nice shimmery highlight. And then there's Day Trip, which is a blush. And blushes, you know, I'm not going to swatch out super powerful because you got to smear it on. I mean, it rubs in. I can't, my words are just... Anyway, folks, we've swatched the Wander Beauty palette and kind of like it. So let's go in now, and I'm going to wrap up and we'll discuss the kind of value that we got out of this box. All right, my final thoughts here. This box, maybe I started out just a little too critical and just a little too hard on it. You know, my bad. I'm sorry. Because while there's some misses, there's a lot of hits. And so I want to get into that. Now, this box came with skincare, makeup, and makeup tools. A very well-rounded box, which is, so this is a nice, well-rounded box. Got skincare, I got makeup tools. Yay, happy me. Yes, yes, yes. And it's gonna be fun to try these products. I know there's some things I didn't necessarily like or appreciate that I got in the box, but I know I got my money's worth in this box, and that is the most important thing here. You know, over $178 worth of products here. That's a good deal, and I only paid $25 for it. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like me, hit the like button. And subscribe to this channel. Got lots of cool stuff coming up. I got some true crime reading, tarot readings coming up. I'm pretty excited about doing. And more unboxings. Yes, yes, yes. You know it. That's what I got here on this channel for y'all. Lots of fun stuff coming up. And I love you guys. Be kind to each other. Be kind to yourself. And I'll see you next time. Bye.